Hey guys, it is me Milan. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am just vlogging my day. It is currently 1:42, so a little late start to the day today. I got ready to film 2 videos and I really needed to film these 2 videos today, but my mom said let's go to the beach, and as you can see outside it is kind of cloudy. It's like cloudy, but then it's like off and on, like the sun will come up but then go back down. I don't know. So I am going to go to the beach, sit on the beach, and not get in the water. So I'm not wearing a bathing suit. I'm gonna pack a few things for me to do while I'm there. That way I can be productive and we're gonna have fun. So, update on crocheting. I don't know if I told you guys this, but my new hobby is to crochet. So I've been crocheting like a little, I'm trying to make like a blanket. I've been trying to make a few things. I've made a cup for a shirt, like a bra cup for a shirt. This was my first one initially when I first learned how to do the stitches. Then I tried to make a blanket, but I don't really like the type of yarn. It's not as thick as the green one, and I don't really like it. So I'm going to pack my bag, and I also want to make a smoothie before we leave, so hopefully I can do that. Let's get started with this little vlog today. Even though I was expecting not to film, but we are filming, so here we are.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast on with the gang.
Mia and Trey are playing ball. Yeah. Yay! Hello, we are at the beach. Ready? Alrighty guys, so we're at the beach still. It's like 5 o'clock and me and Mia are taking pictures in front of this thing here. Jalen is trying to wipe off his apple on Mia's towel. I think we're about to leave soon. I went into the water with my clothes on because it was way too hot and I should have worn my bathing suit, so yeah. Okay, so we are finally home. It is currently 7:45. And I just took a shower, I put my hair in braids, and now I think I'm going to eat dinner and just watch YouTube and edit and relax. And I still have to fold my laundry that I left here. So basically, I didn't know this. This was just gonna be one video, and it might be one video, but tomorrow we are going to Newport and I'm gonna film there if I can. So this really isn't the end of the video. Good morning, folks. It is currently 7:02 in the morning. I'm the first one up, and I'm gonna start getting ready and packing like a little bag or whatever. So the first thing I'm gonna do is eat breakfast because I'm hungry, and then I'm going to make my bed and start getting ready. Alrighty, so I am dressed. I'm gonna fix my hair in the car because I don't want to do it right now. But I'm just wearing this oversized t-shirt and some biker shorts and my Air Forces, and then I also packed flip-flops when we go on the beach. So, anyways, I don't know when we're leaving. It is currently 8:18. I'm really tired, so I will see you guys when we go.
Every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah.
Alrighty, so we are now going to eat. We've been at the beach for a few hours and I am kind of sick of it. So we're gonna go get something to eat. I am full of sand. My hair, full of sand. So yeah, we're going to go get something to eat. Oh, me in the editing world. I forgot to film an outro, so here we are doing it now. Sorry I look really rough, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys want more like vlog type videos for the summer, because I never really liked vlogs and now I'm starting to get more into them, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this video wasn't a mess. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet.